Alright, boys and girls, today's a good day because this man did something exceptional. This man is smiling and happy. I hope the customer's happy too because we got the 510 started. Just sit back and watch the video. That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you.
Click it again. All right, that's all we need. That's all we need. That's it.
Hey, hold on, you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm gonna send a video to Hannah. Actually, we need we need a runner.
We got the coil pack, the plug wires, the math.
All I have left to do for my wiring, wire the fuel pump, wire the fans when he brings the
Yep.
fans. Okay. Well, I'm
So-
gonna go wrap so he can bring all the other shit.
The fans should be in the back seat. Yeah, they're back there.
Ready? Yeah. Spinning?
No, nothing.
I got no key. You got anything on the fuel pressure regulator?
Nope. Nothing. No. Yes,
You
sir.
already know what's happening.
The man of the hour.
Hit
Go.
it.
Go ahead.
What's it at now?
Climb in 30.
From the heathens, got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go, we